Today we are focusing on the verb подводить. This verb has several different meanings, and I'm here to explain each one with examples. The first meaning of подводить is to lead someone to a place. For example, она подвела собаку к двери. She led the dog to the door. Another meaning of the verb подводить is to let someone down or fail someone. For example, он подвел своих друзей, не придя на игру. He let his friends down by not coming to the game. Next, the phrase подводить итоги can also mean to summarize information. For example, в конце декабря люди часто подводят итоги года. At the end of December, people often summarize the year. Now, listen to this humorous poem where the verb подводить is used in two different meanings. Let me know in the comments below if you understood it. Итоги года мне сказали: ты только нас не подведи. Я им сказал: договорились, расслабился и не подвел. So, there you have it. Подводить is a verb with multiple meanings, each depending on the context. I hope this helps you understand and use it more confidently. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Thank you.